Dam. Pretty interesting. Welcome to Hoover Dam. We're gonna get some nice epic shots. Stuff. Very, very cool. Very close to the Arizona state line. Continue over the dam a bit, you'll be at the Arizona state line right here. The Grand Canyon State welcomes you. Arizona. Hello, Arizona. Hoover Dam, it's just over there. We're technically in Arizona right now. The state line's just right over there. Super cool. We're in Arizona. We're gonna take you over the dam. We have to walk back into Nevada. This is gonna be a fun one. A roadside attraction like no other. Memorial tribute to Anson Smith. All right, yeah, we'll walk over here from Arizona into Nevada. Discover the Hoover Dam. The dam that shaped the Southwest. Hoover Dam and Lake Mead have provided a reliable supply of water and affordable electricity to the people of the Southwest since the 1930s. Engineering marvel, a historic milestone. The Bureau of Reclamation welcomes you to Hoover Dam, one of the exceptional engineering achievements of the 20th century. Right, we're walking onto the dam. Here we go. Walking onto the official dam. We're on the dam. The better side on the way back here. Take it all in. Take it all in. There's a clock over here which states the Arizona time. Car here. Not generally afraid of heights, but this is pretty daunting. Pretty wild. Okay, we're gonna cross over to the better side. Both sides are very cool. Here I'm going to unveil the Hoover Dam. Here we go. Bam, we're on the dam. You're looking down it, right there. Epic. That's scary as hell looking down there. That's something else. Out on the walkout ledge here. Welcome everybody to the Hoover Dam. Pretty breathtaking sight. $2,700 feet. Is that what he said?
I imagine it could get pretty windy.
Dozens of workers actually died from heat-related causes during the construction of Hoover Dam. Don't be a statistic. Drink plenty of water, wear a hat, and apply sunscreen. Thousands of workers? No, sorry, dozens. Dozens of workers. Artist Alan Tupper True based the inlays in the floors inside the dam on designs created by southwestern Indian tribes. Hoover Dam is one of the first industrial structures in the U.S. to be enhanced with Native American symbols. Notice these crazy things up here. Yeah, as this gentleman mentioned, in many movies and animation, it was in Beavis and Butthead Do America. Everybody remembers that. Most notably, I think, definitely Vegas Vacation, 1997. Clark ends up climbing the entire wall, swinging all around this area by a cable. They pretty much utilized every single little piece of it, the whole tour. Giving off some interesting facts over here. Lots of people coming through. They're coming from everywhere. See the Hoover Dam. You may not have known, but Hoover Dam was also home to a legendary dog. That's right. Nig the dog. The Hoover Dam had a mascot, a dog named Nig, who was a black Labrador mixed with a white blaze on his chest. He became a favorite of the workers during the dam's construction, following them to work and riding on various vehicles. The dog was born in Boulder City, close by, and was discovered as a puppy by a construction worker. Nig was born in Boulder City, Nevada, under the 6 Company's No. 4 barracks. He was named Nig by the workers, though the name is now seen as insensitive. He became a popular mascot for the construction workers, following them to the dam site, even riding on the employee transports and trains. A plaque dedicated to Nig is still on display at the Hoover Dam, with his story kept alive by guides and guards. Wondering where that plaque is. Wouldn't mind paying my respects to that poor dog. The Hoover Dam dog. He was the dog who owned a dam. Only acted as if he owned the dam, but without a doubt he owned the hearts of his workers. He wandered freely around the job site, up ladders, over catwalks, and through tunnels. He even rode the open-air elevator, called a skiff. There he is right there. There's a poor boy. And would bark at the operator when he wanted to get off. Oh, I should make a movie about him. Hoover Dam dog was adored by the workers who overfed him. To limit his eating, the commissary prepared him a single daily meal, which he carried to the job in a paper sack. Oh, there's an illustration depicting that. His beloved dog died when he fell asleep under a truck and was run over by a driver who did not see him. Grown men wept as they jackhammered a tomb for him in the rock next to the temporary ranger station. The Hoover Dam construction crew's mascot was found as a puppy by workers at the construction camp. This dog traveled to and from the dam site with them and spent his days visiting the many work areas. February 21st, 1941, the life of this devoted animal came to an end when a truck under which he was sleeping rolled over him. Oh. Grave below was completed by workers later that same day. Oh, there he is. I didn't realize he was right there. The mascot often occupied himself chasing ringtail cats through the dam's tunnels. He was also known to challenge visitors' dogs, which were not allowed at the dam. Hoover Dam mascot had an easier life than people living in Ragtown, a tent city that was home to many desperate job seekers. Neither man nor beast rode the train to work. Freight carried over the rails was a higher priority. Many workers commuted on a modified bus known as Big Bertha. It had a capacity of 150 men, but just one dog. Rest in peace, buddy. Wish I had a bone or something to leave him. Wasn't his time yet. It's a fascinating story, though. That's right, the Hoover Dam construction crew's mascot. All right. We head back over into Arizona.
These guys.
Very cool to finally cover this on my channel. Appreciate you guys joining in. Go ahead, give it a big thumbs up. Please like and subscribe. If you're new here, I'll let you know when a new episode goes up. Never know what you may be missing on the Mr. Thrasha Show. You never know what we'll be doing. Could be filming locations. Always filming locations, but it could be filming locations, museums, roadside attractions, the Hoover Dam. Take it in. Take a drive over that bridge. Perhaps in the video that way. Might be a good idea. Oh my God, that is so scary. Everyone's having a good time at the Hoover Dam. Yeah, I want to see if there's anything in this old exhibit building here. Pretty cool. You can come and check out the Hoover Dam for free. They do offer tours straight out of Las Vegas and stuff. You can take a bus. It takes a little longer if you do that. If you want to take my advice, I would say come in the middle of the week, not on a weekend. Anyone's listening out there, trust me. See if there's any interesting exhibits in here. Unfortunately, can't get in there. Not going into the exhibit hall. It's not even open. It says ticket required anyway. Nevada, Arizona.
Going all the way over there in Nevada.
Yeah. Arizona sign is up there, entering Arizona. But you got these two arrows between these. This is the state line. Nevada, Arizona. I'm in Nevada. I'm in Arizona. Now I'm back in Nevada. Let's go to Arizona. Okay. Get a shot here and I'll turn the camera around. Very high. Very scary. Very scary. fun fact, maybe not everybody knows, some will, most will, some won't. Hoover Dam was named in honor of Herbert Clark Hoover, 31st President of the United States. You know, Herbert Hoover once stayed here. The vacuum guy? No, the president. What's going over there in Nevada?
It's cool, man. It's cool. Let's go. What's it like over there in Arizona?
Weather's nice.
Nice.
It's a little hot. There's a little breeze. Bonus content. Walking over that big archy bridge. It's the biggest arch bridge in the world. Okay, this is insane. My God, makes the Hoover Dam look small down there. Emerging greatness. Absolutely intense. Gonna get a few angles looking off. Pretty epic, huh? Makes that dam look pretty small from up here. Stunning. I'm not getting too close to the edge. Utterly freaky. Thanks again, everybody. Stay tuned. Tons of intense content coming your way. It doesn't really get more intense than this. Whew. Okay. Thanks again, everybody. Edge of the world. Few more shots here. Appreciate y'all coming out again, joining me at the one and only Hoover Dam. It's good to go over the legend of the Hoover Dam mascot. Check out all these crazy views. Give it a big thumbs up. Just like my shadow there. Please like, please subscribe. If you're new here, I'll let you know when a new episode goes up. Never know what you may be missing here on the Mr. Thrasha Show. From the Hoover Dam. Just taking in all the scenic, historic beauty. Wow. Look down there. Wow, it's ever peaceful out here. Are we in Washington? Actually, Bob, we're at the Hoover Dam. No, we're in Washington.